lost boys. Shout out to all my lost boys. We were rowdy. Shout out to all my lost boys. Shout out.
Hello everybody, and today we got ourselves the BluClik wireless remote control. It works with Android and iOS and mounts on your car steering wheel or dash and works via Bluetooth. Now here on the back, we can see it can play or pause your music, change tracks, and adjust the volume. It can also activate Siri and has a long-lasting battery. Now if we open this sucker up, we will see instructions that you probably won't ever end up looking at it, and a very short micro USB cable to add to your collection of many. Also inside is the unit itself with a steering wheel attachment. The attachment itself uses Velcro, so it should fit most steering wheels, even though I wouldn't see why it wouldn't fit a steering wheel because it's pretty long. It also has a nice tooth and gear feature that prevents it from rotating while in the cradle, so you won't have to worry about pushing the wrong button. Also inside, you'll end up finding a dash mount with 3M sticky tape on the backside, just in case you don't want it on your steering wheel and want it somewhere else. Inside, you will also find two other trim rings, chrome and black chrome. To change the trim rings, just stick your fingernail on the right side and pull it off. You can be able to choose in between flat black, chrome, and black chrome. Here I'm going to use regular chrome for example. To reattach, make sure the iSimple logo is down and snap back on. In the middle is your Siri button and play pause. On the back of the device, you will find there is an on and off switch, with A being for Android and I for being iOS. To pair this device, just go into Settings, and it should show up as BluClik after you turn it on. And tap on it and it should connect. If it asks for a password, try 0000 or 1234. After it is connected, you have volume up and down, and if you hold the center button, Siri will open. I'm going to pull up Spotify real quick and let you see what this sucker can do. I'm just going to pick a random song here, something from the new releases, and we'll just go with something random. Now on the unit, you have volume up as long with volume down. You also have the ability to forward the track and also to go back to your previous song you were listening to. Just as an added feature, camera remote shutter for iOS and Android if you have the volume key shutter enabled. Thanks for watching, guys. This is currently selling on Amazon for $30 as I'm making this video, but there's only 2 in stock right now. There are a few others in between $50 and $80, and I wouldn't recommend buying this at all at those prices. And try a different brand or look on eBay where they have them for $30 as well. I have an older vehicle and don't have all the fancy steering wheel controls, so I use this instead, because the second my hand leaves that steering wheel, I start drifting. So this is great for me and controlling the music through my phone. In the morning, it quickly connects with your phone. If your Bluetooth is on, of course, by pressing the center button a couple times, and it will quickly connect. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. And if you love the video, please leave a thumbs up, and I'll put a link to the description in both products for eBay and Amazon. Stay geeky, my friends.